Hello everyone, this is Angel Joe from Besta Machine China. For wood boring process, it is a very necessary step for making disposable wooden products. Different types of wood. The wood boring time and temperature is different. The main purpose of wood boring is for making the wood more soft and easy for processing. After wood boring, the color of birch wood will becoming more white. After wood boring, we will go for wooden bark removing process. You can see that our workers are removing the barks of the wood. In this video, the wooden bark removing is by manual. We also have an automatic wooden bark removing machine. Now the two workers are doing the preparation work for the wood rotary cutting process. We believe that you have many concerned questions about wood boring process. Don't hesitate to contact us for the detailed reply. Our company can offer you a whole package plan for the ice cream stick making project, tongue depressor stick making project, disposable wooden spoon, fork and knife project. All the above mentioned projects are all need wood boring process.